guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nomadic Aditi, and today I'm very excited and very happy because today I came here in Ikea store, which is very famous for the home furnishing things, and this is a Swedish company which is after Mumbai and Hyderabad. This is the first time it is in here in Bangalore. The Bangalore mein kaha hai ye Nagasandra. The nearest metro station is Nagasandra. It is very far from, if you are in middle of city, it's very far. So better you come with metro, and from MG road you can take a Nagasandra metro station directly, and it is just 20 meters away from Nagasandra station. Just a walkable distance, 20 meters. Okay, so I know it is going to be very huge crowd for me because I saw previous vlogs. It is too much of crowd, and I'm going to face this for you. And if you want to see all the details about this store, Ikea store, stay tuned with me. Don't skip this video and watch till end because it's going to be full details. Okay, so we will go and explore the whole furnishing things, and also we will go to the restaurant also because I am feeling it's 2 o'clock and it's too late and I am feeling so hungry. So while we are waiting for, let's go inside. Stay tuned. So we are inside of the store right now, and this is how we came from this entrance. Okay, तो एक बड़ा सा इन्फॉर्मेशन देना चाहूँगी. डोंट फॉरगेट टू वियर योर मास्क बिकॉज इट्स फॉर योर सेफ्टी एंड इट इज़ मैंडेटरी ओवर हियर कि आप अगर यहाँ आते हो तो मास्क पहनना बिल्कुल ना बोलना. ओके, हे गाइस, तो सबसे पहले पेट पूजा. स्टोर में सबसे ऊपर में आप अगर जाओगे, जैसे एंट्रेंस होता है उसके ऊपर में रिलेटेड सीढ़ियाँ मिल जाएंगी और आप सीधे पहुँचोगे रेस्टोरेंट के अंदर. यू कैन सी As I told you, मैं रेस्टोरेंट के अंदर जा रही हूँ. दिस इज़ द कैफेटेरिया, जहाँ पे आपको बहुत सारी फूड्स मिल जाएंगे. Here for having my lunch, but here is a huge crowd. You can see. मुझे पता नहीं है मुझे कब खाना मिलने वाला है. Anyways, and I'll give you all the details. I'll give you the brief details about this food court. Stay tuned with me. This is a mango cake, 140, 190. So these are chicken meatball, which is 250 rupees plate. So I'm going to buy chicken meatball plate. Okay. So if you are a vegetarian, you have another option is paneer butter masala. That is also 250 rupees plate. Okay. और यहाँ आकर जब आप खाना पिक कर लेते हैं, then you need to go for a billing. तो पहले आपको खाना लेना पड़ेगा. She will take your food, and here it is about, yeah, bill. And your one water bottle. Yeah, one water bottle, one chicken balls platter, and one mango cake. Yeah, 450 rupees, right? It's 250, and the water bottle is 60 rupees. 60 rupees water bottle, and this is 140 rupees. So all together 450 now. Cash and card 450 rupees. Okay, come. So here food is little expensive. 450 rupees. Finally, I'm in cafeteria, and I ordered for chicken ball, and this is full platter, and which I paid for 250 rupees. And here is a mango cake, you know. So it is 140 rupees, and this water is 60 rupees. It's a Vedic distillery. Okay, so altogether I got the experience that it is little expensive because it's this small platter with the, this is I guess this is a chicken platter, and this is a chicken ball, little salad, this is mashed potato, and there is sweet jam kind of thing is there, and this is a mango cake. So this is 140, 250 and 60. All together I paid for 450 rupees. Okay, so it is little expensive I believe. So let me have this food, how it is. साथ ही साथ इन्होंने कुछ एक सॉस जैसा डाला था, ग्रेवी, नॉट बैड. स्पाइसी नहीं है तो बच्चे भी खा सकते हैं. सो ऑल टुगेदर से यम्मी. और ये मैश्ड पोटैटो एंड ये बॉइल्ड वेजिस. This chicken ball is really yummy, very soft, delicious, not spicy, but all together it's a good one, but little expensive, right? So anyways, let me finish this food and then after we'll explore to the home furnishing. And flower top is cost around 49 rupees. One glass, not bad, right? Cushion cover 199. So ये दो color, red and white. So these are the cushion covers. Tablecloth 1390 rupees. ये जो कारपेट है इट्स 5990 rupees. And this bed is 10,990 rupees. 3,790 rupees for this chair. This flower pot is 399 rupees only. 2,190 rupees for this lampshade. 15,990 rupees for this double seater. This ottoman is 4,790 rupees and this double seater sofa is cost around 15,990 rupees. 18,990 rupees for this 3-seater sofa. For this double seater is 15,990 rupees. And this is a L-shaped sofa which is cost around 54,990 rupees. This is 54,990 rupees. Bit expensive. And this is 37,990 rupees. So here is full sofa collection. You can see you will get a different price ranges. And let me check this red collection. Okay, so red collection, this ottoman is 4,990 rupees and this single sofa is 12,990 rupees and this double seater is 17,990 rupees. So like this you can change your color and there is so many color options. There's a red, brown, off-white, this blue one. It looks like a velvet one. It's a 52,990 rupees. A velvet sofa is a double seater. And this is 19,990 rupees. As I shown you many colors, the prices are similar, but you will get so many varieties like the red, blue, off-white. And this double seater was 17,990 rupees. And this 20,990 rupees. You can go for this cabinet. Storage cabinet is 40,850 rupees, which is really beautiful. It's totally white color. You cabinet. So this cabinet is 40,850 rupees. The another cabinet, you can see, that is 40,750 rupees. This also. So these two beautiful white cabinets are 40,750 rupees only. Glass jar is 1,490 rupees with black better light color. ಈ ಕಲರ್ ವುಡನ್ ಕಲರ್ 4,290 rupees for this table, and this chair, and for this table is 29,990 rupees. This wardrobe is 7,390 rupees. This kitchen combination is 3,07,355 rupees altogether. It's a modular kitchen. Altogether will come around 3,07,355 rupees. So beautiful. This wash basin is 6,500 rupees. Sir, 699 rupees. So beautiful and cute also. These are the soft toys. The bowls 6-pack is 139 rupees. 139. And this 6 glasses is 99. So toilet brush 89 rupees. Mugs 99, 100 rupees. This is beautiful as well. I like this color. It's just 99 rupees. This cushion is 299. Very beautiful print. I like this blue and white flower print. It's beautiful. This is very good quality kadhai. Is just 529 rupees. I like this. 499. This pen is just $4.99, very good quality. ₹59. This cutlery set is $5.99, very beautiful. $5.49 for 6 glasses. Item is not found. So hey guys, it's a new thing. You need to do self scanning and you need to do the self service over here. So it's first time I'm a little confused over here, so let me get it. Hey guys, finally I'm done with my shopping from Ikea. Okay, so I hope you guys like my video because मैं ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा मैंने आपको हर एक चीज़ दिखाने की कोशिश की है. प्राइस टैगिंग एंड एवरीथिंग फ्रॉम हाउस फर्नीचर टू स्पून टू से लेकर के किचन आइटम से लेकर एवरीथिंग. सो आई होप मेरी वीडियोस आपको अच्छी लगी होंगी. इफ़ यू लाइक माय वीडियोस प्लीज़ गो टू माई चैनल एंड सब्सक्राइब इट. अगर आपको मेरे को प्लीज़ सपोर्ट करो भाई यूट्यूब में. एंड प्लीज़ गो टू माई इंस्टाग्राम ऑल्सो, जो कि लिंक मेरे डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में डाला होगा. इट्स नोमैडिक गर्ल रीति. सो प्लीज़ गो एंड फॉलो मी इन इंस्टाग्राम एज वेल. ओके, सो स्टे ट्यून और मिलते हैं अपने दूसरे ब्लॉग पे. तब तक के लिए बाय बाय.